Hello, today I'm going to show you how you can put your MacBook into a recovery mode. So what do? First of all, on your keyboard, I'm going to press on the power button. Once you press on it, you are going to quickly press and hold the command plus R button on the keyboard and wait for it. So you have to make sure your hand is still on the command plus R button. Now it doesn't matter how long it takes, just have patience. So once you see this loading thing here, you just will take your hand off it. You are going to wait for some time. So you can see your Mac has quickly boot into the recovery mode. So this is how you boot your Mac into the recovery mode. If this video is helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos like this. Thank you.